Start by redesigning your pantry to handle large quantities and make everything instantly findable. For families buying in bulk, begin by measuring shelf heights and depths, and then plan zones for baking, snacks, cereals, canned goods, and overflow. Use uniform clear containers for dry goods so you can see levels at a glance, and label each container with content and typical quantity so anyone in the household can refill correctly. Choose airtight lids to keep bulk quantities fresh and add moisture absorbers for rice and flour. Install slide-out wire baskets on lower shelves to eliminate crawling and make access fast for heavy or bulky packages, and store the most used items at waist height to reduce strain. Reserve upper shelves for seasonal or rarely used items and keep a dedicated overflow shelf for one extra of each staple to absorb shopping gaps. Add an inventory board or a simple shared smartphone list to track running counts and set reorder triggers so you do not end up with duplicates or shortages. Teach everyone to mark the board when they take the last jar. Include integrated step stool storage at the pantry door so reaching high shelves is safe and quick, and consider pull-out cutting boards or a small appliance shelf if you use bulk ingredients for meal prep daily. The most common mistake is mixing types of food in a single area, which leads to wasted items and confusion. So create and enforce clear zones and keep similar items together with consistent labels. People often skip weighing or measuring containers, which causes inconsistent portioning and spoilage, so use standard-sized clear containers and periodically check levels against your inventory board. Another frequent issue is poor access to lower and upper shelves, causing items to be pushed to the back and forgotten. Install slide-out baskets and store a sturdy step stool in the pantry to make every shelf reachable and rotate stock every time you put new items away. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and discover pantry redesign ideas that suit large family needs, and we connect contractors with homeowners looking for work. We also host an active discussion community where families and professionals share real-world tips, product recommendations, and layout photos so we all learn from each other.